We're continuing our discussion of the record navigation feature pack for the Dialog component, and we've just demonstrated how you can add sort options to the search part where you specify search criteria for the primary keys that are retrieved. Now let's go and look at some of the other options in the builder. So when we open up the builder, we see that there is a section here called the No Records in Query options, and this has to do with what action should be taken if the user enters a query criteria that don't find any records at all. And the two options are to either go back to showing all records or show the new records. So if I, for example, choose show all records, then we're going to display a message to the user, and this message can be customized using language tags A5:R, or if you want, you can completely suppress the message by putting angle bracket none there. And if you do that, then it's likely that you'll want to handle the situation in some other way by calling the after search client-side event, which is a JavaScript function that you can define, and this JavaScript function will get passed into it the E object that has records in query. So if the user enters a search that finds no records, this after search JavaScript function will be called, and E.records in query will be 0. So you can handle the situation any way that you want. So I'm going to just demonstrate what happens if we choose the show all records in query. So you can see this is the message that's going to be displayed now. So we'll go now and go ahead now and let's display the search part, and we'll search for New York and then do our search. And now we'll go and type in something in the first name field that is not going to find any records. So you can see now that we get our message that says no records in query, showing all records, and now we've gone back to showing all records in the query. So you have complete control over what exactly happens when the user enters a query that results in no records. And then also, as we mentioned, you can suppress the message completely by just typing in none as the message and then handling it yourself in the after search and before search client side events. The before search event would let you cancel the event by returning false in your JavaScript event handler. So what we've shown in this series of videos here is how you can add very powerful record navigation functionality to a data bound dialog, and how you can also include a highly customized search part to your dialog that enables the user to enter search criteria to specify which primary keys should be retrieved, so that the user can then navigate from one record to the next record. I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos. Thank you very much.